Click on the link below to get price. The Champion Power Equipment 30A indoor rated manual transfer switch with 25-foot generator power is an essential solution for anyone looking to maintain power during outages while ensuring safety and convenience. This product is particularly well suited for homeowners who want a reliable method to connect a portable generator to their home's electrical system. One of the standout features of this transfer switch is its easy-to-use design. With a manual operation, it eliminates the risks associated with backfeeding power into the grid, a common issue when using a generator without proper equipment. The transfer switch includes a clear and straightforward installation guide, making it accessible for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. Once installed, the switch allows for a seamless transition between utility power and generator power with just a flip of a switch. The 30A rating provides ample power for most home essentials, ensuring that users can run critical appliances such as refrigerators, heating systems, and lights during an outage. The 25-foot generator power cord included is an added bonus, providing flexibility in positioning the generator away from the home, adhering to safety guidelines regarding carbon monoxide exposure. Durability is another strong point of the Champion transfer switch. Constructed with high-quality materials, it withstands the rigors of indoor use, and its compact design makes it easy to integrate into basements or utility rooms without taking up too much space. Furthermore, the switch's clear labeling for circuits makes it user-friendly, allowing users to select which circuits they wish to power effortlessly. Overall, the Champion Power Equipment 30A indoor rated manual transfer switch with 25-foot generator power is a reliable, safe, and effective solution for managing power during outages. Its thoughtful design, ease of installation, and durable materials make it a worthwhile investment for anyone looking to enhance their home's resilience against power interruptions. This product truly stands out in the market for its combination of functionality and safety.